No one's ready for this conversation, but your life sucks, not because of your childhood, your economic standing, whether you were privileged or why you have less hours in the day than other people because you're a mom or whatever. And I know this is going to hurt your feelings. It's going to really hurt your feelings. Your life sucks because you choose to continue to make excuses against your potential rather than saying, despite whatever my circumstance is, I will make a new life. Whatever I have in my toolbox, I will make it work. And there are people in the Olympics with no legs running in the Olympics. Whatever you think your limitation is, it is only as big as you decide for it to be. And too many people are obsessed with not taking radical accountability for their lives and blaming everything outside of themselves for why their life sucks. And when you realize you are the problem, that is the only time you will ever be free, babe. Everything else is gonna keep you miserable. So